Hello viewers, welcome back to another lecture. This is the part, this has to be the part of lecture 6, but somehow I made 3 videos and it's going to be the fourth one, so I thought to make it a different uh, video because it is not connected with the shape tool. Actually, the things we are going to see in this video is a flare tool, but it's not connected to these shape tools. I've no idea because why they have put this in here. Maybe it is mostly used with these tools, shape tools, like rectangle. On the corner of a rectangle there should be a flare, or in the with the stars there should be a flare. So they have put this in the shape tool. So here's my channel. My name is Jamal and I'm a graphic designer, and this one is the 7th lecture of the series Learning Adobe Illustrator. How you can find me? You can just go to the Google tab, type GRAFIXERS and press enter, and here is me. So this is my video, this is my Instagram profile, this is my LinkedIn profile, and again my Instagram profile. And when you go to the videos tab, you can just grab any of these videos and you will be directed to me. So coming back to the lecture, here is one flare tool. Before showing you the flare tool, I'm going to change the background color, and it is a tip for you because you cannot change the background color in Adobe Illustrator. All you can do, you can just go to the shape tool, the rectangle tool, and just make a rectangle on top of your artwork, and then you can change color for this rectangle. So it's not the color of the layer, it's not the color of the artboard, it's the color of the rectangle. So I just made one rectangle over here. The next thing, I will go to the flare tool and just click and drag. This is a flare. So this might not be the thing that you were expecting from a flare tool. So selecting this flare, you can go and select the flare tool again, and going to the center of the flare and just grab the thing, and you can make something different from the existing one. So all these circles, this one, there are too many circles over here. If I click, so 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and the center 7 8, there are many circles over here that collectively make one flare. So if you have selected the flare and then go to the flare tool, yes, it's right in the middle of this big circle. So you can change what you can change the size of the flare. And if we remove this black background from here, what we see that we have different color circles that make, and they have different opacity, and with a black background you see some very cool thing that they have made, that the Illustrator have already made for you. So where do we need this? I told you how you can make. Yeah, you can go and click on the screen and you will get many different options for the flare. So where is it? Diameter of something. Yeah, the whole thing diameter. So I'm decreasing the size of the diameter, and the whole flare is changing its properties according to this diameter. What is opacity? Opacity for everything. So I've made opacity to 0, and if I'm increasing the opacity, it's making changes as well. The brightness, right in the middle of it, there is brightness. And rays, I'm increasing the rays, and you can see the difference. So 10 rays, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Don't know how they've just managed this thing, but they did. So we are going with 30 numbers of rays. Longest rays should be 300%. So if we increase it, the longest ray is going up to here. So we're decreasing it here. Fuzziness, yeah, fuzziness we can see when we have we don't have this we don't have this blue things going. Whenever we select something, the Illustrator gives us some anchor points and the lines and everything, and here's a shortcut for it, that if we want to get rid of it, we can just hold the control button and press H on the keyboard. So control plus H makes it something like this. We have selected this thing and everything in there, every anchor point is selected, but we can't see the anchor points or the lines for selecting. So for this I'm going to show you that how you can change the fuzziness. So fuzziness is going to be 0%, and you can see the lines. So this is all about the rays. So we are in the rays section, so fuzziness is increased to 100%. They have done something on the flare. So going to the hollow, growth is 20%. This is what is hollow is doing. So this is much better, that we can see what is going on. So hollow is making changes to it. Fuzziness again, fuzziness 0, and then the rings 468 points. Let me zoom out. 468 points, and we're decreasing it, and we're getting something they have tackled somehow. So going back to what it was, number of rings, maybe 10, so now 20. Now this is noticeable. 30, 50, so there are many rings in the middle of 2 points, and then we can decrease it to 20 or 10 is good. Then largest is 50%, largest is 0%, largest is 80%. So, and the direction, yeah, we can change the direction like this. It's good one. Okay, so this is all about the flare tool. Now I'm going to tell you where do we actually use this thing. You have seen the flare pictures on Google. It's kind of light that is coming to your camera lens, so it's making this flare. So if we have one circle and another circle, I'm going to copy, Control C, and paste, Control F. So I'm using Control F for pasting because it's going to paste in front of the existing one. So I will make a little change to it, like we see in the eclipse thing. So if you give the layer white color and the foreground layer completely black, so now you can see it's kind of some solar eclipse or the moon eclipse. So here we can make some flare. If we make a very small one, it's something like this. It will show something like this. It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. And we can just make a light coming from here, and we'll select it and we can just grab it like this here, and if we leave it, and we make it with less opacity, so this is how you will get a flare in a working condition. So selecting the flare tool, decreasing the length of the flare. Yes, now here's a moon eclipse or anything that you need, and you can use the flare on it. Another one is when you write something and you want it to shine, so there we can use a flare like SHINA, and giving it a white color, increasing the size by holding shift, giving it a gray kind of color, and putting the flare over here, and then a small flare, it seems that the thing is shining over here. It's kind of this feel like something is shining over there and the light is coming to your camera. This is the use of flare tool. There might be any other uses for it, so you can go and play with it. So our 7th lecture for the flare tool is done, and we have completed these all shape tools in it, and in the next videos I'm going to do all of the rest. And I hope you like the video and you understood what a flare tool is about. And here is my channel again. You can go to my channel by just typing graphics, and you will be directed to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.